Hi, friends. It's Sadie the Story Lady, and I'm squealing with excitement about today's adventure. This little piggy didn't go to market. He went to a bamboo forest because our little pig thinks he's a panda bear. So let's get ready to go hog wild over this picture perfect story. My Pig Thinks He's a Panda, written by Patricia Allieri, illustrated by Novel Varius. My pet thinks he's a panda, but it seems so strange to me. He does cute things that pandas do, but he's a pig, you see? I don't know why he acts that way or what that's all about, but clearly he's not furry and he has a piggy snout. My fearless piggy panda loves to climb up every tree. The branches creak and crackle as he stares back down at me. My splashing piggy panda, fond of swimming in a stream, can catch the fish like pandas do, while I can only dream. My active piggy panda rolls and somersaults all day, and just before he rolls, he shouts, "Why don't you play my way?" My picky piggy panda always loves to eat bamboo, but then he spits it out and leaves an icky pile of goo. My nosy piggy panda can reach up, up, up so high. He raises his front legs as if he's reaching for the sky. My sleepy piggy panda takes at least 3 naps a day, and that gives him the energy to play and play and play. There's one thing pandas never do, but it's something my pet does, which makes me sure he is a pig, and the reason is because my silly piggy panda loves to slop around in mud. He's sure to stomp and roll around whenever there's a flood. Now, what do you think of my pet? It's up to you to guess. Is he my brave and sloppy pig? The answer is, why, yes. Wasn't that a piggy perfect panda adventure? And here's a fun fact. Did you know that pigs can be trained just like dogs? Some even go for walks on a leash. Now that's what I call bringing home the bacon. If you had a squeally good time today, don't forget to trot on over and tap the subscribe button with your little snout. See you next time. Bye.